Horax apparatus. Coming to
गुड मॉर्निंग से स्टार्ट करो.
Good afternoon.
Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Hari Krishna. Today I am going to explain you about the Horax apparatus and what is the purpose of this Horax apparatus. Before coming to this procedure and everything, Horax apparatus mainly it is used to know the dose of bleaching powder required for the disinfection of water. So for this, what are the equipments we needed and what are the things that I am going to explain you. So coming to the contents of this Horax apparatus, it mainly consists of 7 cups. Overall 7 cups are there, out of which 6 are white cups. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 white cups are there. The readings and the markings on it are like up to 250 ml is there. But for our content we are using only up to 200 ml mark. So these are about the 6 white cups and 1 black cup. This is also containing 200 ml. Inside this there is a marker where we will be having one inner mark round. So this is about the number of contents. Coming to the cups part. Apart from these cups, we have 2 metal spoons. Actually we are supposed to use 2 metal spoons. So these are the metal spoons which can contain 2 grams of bleaching powder which is used for the mixture. Apart from these 2 metal spoons, we are having stirring rods. These are called the stirring rods. There are 7 stirring rods which are used separately to stir the water when we mix the bleaching powder in it. Coming to the other 2 are like 2 droppers are there which will be used to drop the paste which we are going to prepare further to mix the things. And one special pipette. We are going to use this special pipette especially for picking up this paste which is going to be prepared in this black apparatus, a black container, which we are going to use that and mix in these special 6 cups. Coming to the solutions, we have bleaching powder. Here you can see it, right? And the other one is starch iodine indicator, which is the main indicator used especially to know the color. On mixing this starch iodine indicator to the water which we are going to test, it will display the water color into blue, which we are going to see in another half an hour after the procedure. So before I go into the procedure, here you can see 2 bottles with water in it. So I am using this tap water mainly to test the bleaching powder required and also the disinfection of the water. Let me start the procedure. Before this, let me take this bleaching powder. Here you can see, right, 2 grams of bleaching powder. That means this spoonful of bleaching powder is nothing but 2 grams, which I am going to take it now. You can see here, right? So this is how you have to take it. Put in this, take some amount of water. Here is it. Actually you need to use some container or like that to mix this. So for demonstration purpose, I am just using this stirring rod itself to mix and make it to the paste. See, I am mixing it and making it like a paste. We have to make it like a paste. So after that, go on adding the water. So we have to add the water. Can please someone help me in pouring the water? Yes. Yeah, we have to pour the water and keep on stirring it till we reach that inner mark. Earlier I have shown the inner mark in this black cup, right? Yeah, that's enough. Thank you, doctor. See, we have reached that inner mark here. You can see that mark. So till there we have to mix this thoroughly and leave it so that whatever the contents are there, they are going to settle down, and this process is called as stocking. So which stock solution, and the solution is called stock solution. So we are going to leave this solution for few minutes so that any settlements are there that will go and settle down there. So within that time, let me prepare the other things. Like these are the 6 cups which I have told earlier. We have to pour the water into these 6 cups, leaving 1 centimeter to the brim. Can you please bring some more water? Yeah, exactly. So this is the level of water which you should fill up to all the 6 cups, leaving 1 centimeter below the brim. Can you please? Yes. So where to eat the stirring rods for each and every cup separately here. See, I am using the remaining 6 rods here. I have to fill up the 1 more cup. Yeah, thank you, doctor. One centimeter gap should be left below the brim. So this is about the water, filling up of the water in all the 6 white cups. After which you should go back to the stock solution which you have prepared in the black cup, right? So let me take this pipette. One second. So as this is bit uncomfortable, I am going with the droppers. Still I think the solution hasn't settled down completely. So let me wait for a few more minutes.
Can you stop?
Settlement has been, so whatever the content is there, it has got settled down there at the bed. So now the water, we are going to take it in the pipette. So I am going to suck the water and hold it. So in the first white cup we have to drop 1 drop, then in the second 2 drops. Sorry. Third one 3 drops. Fourth one 4 drops. 2. 3. 4. 2.
దాంట్లో 4 వేసాయి దాంట్లో వేసి బాగుంటుంది
1. 2. So putting of drops should be in this way. In the first cup you have to put only 1 drop, and then stir it properly. Then in the second cup 2 drops, stir it properly. In the third cup 3 drops, then stir it properly. Then fourth cup 4 drops, fifth cup 5 drops, sixth cup 6 drops. So stir it properly each and every cup, and make sure that whatever the bleaching powder you added should get completely dissolved in it. Then wait for a few seconds.